Hello, Todd here from WallStreetEducation.com. Today is December 23rd, 2025. It is 1:37 Eastern. I just got into a Tesla short with 20 contracts, $3.75. So $375 per contract, sticking with our goal of reaching a 15% ROI, would put us right here at $4.35. And that would give us how much? $11.50 on 20 contracts. I've added another 10 contracts to some of these trades. I'm getting some feedback from people saying that they'd like to see that because obviously, I shouldn't say obviously, but they're saying that they have these goals of really scaling their trading to get into incredible earning potential and enjoying the freedom that trading brings us. So here we are about halfway there, I think. 7.28%, about $550 right here, whatever this is. 7.2, yeah, it's 550. And we're just waiting for this to drop. Now, here is the beauty of this approach. We are taking a nice little slice out of the middle of the move. And here, let me plug this in while I'm talking. We don't want to miss the opportunity of realizing our 15.23%. And let's see if we get filled here. Anyway, what I was saying is we're taking a nice little slice out of the middle. We're not being greedy. You know, I look at this chart and I see that the price, okay, we just got filled. So we just locked in our 15% profit. I see the price coming right back down and matching that previous price low just above 1,300. But that's something you can shoot for down the road. I'll talk with you soon.